Hello.
Hello, hello.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes.
Welcome, welcome. What's your name?
Tarun Kumar.
Okay. You are from Bombay, right?
Yes.
Great. In a final year.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So as you know that this would be a mock interview. So basically we will
Okay.
be deep diving into some concepts which you have already learned so far in your college in previous days. Also, we will also think of it as a like you will be given a sort of questions and you will need to answer them.
Okay.
So I would like you to open your camera, switch on your camera, and open one of the IDE in your laptop. It may be Apache NetBeans or VS Studio Code, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I share my screen?
Yeah, you should.
Okay.
Great, great. So what's there? I think you are typing in C, if I'm not wrong.
C++. plus.
Oh yeah, C plus plus. Yeah, yeah. I got an idea after looking at it. So, uh, what you have learned so far, like topics which you need me to like discuss in Java, basically, because I have gone through your Reddit profile as well, and you are quite active in great communities like LeetCode and Java programming, which is a plus
Yes.
point.
Okay.
And I would request you to let me know what topics you learned so far in Java, basically.
So in Java, I studied the OOPS concepts, and
Okay, nice.
actually, I from many days I have not revised Java, so I would expect to ask you, sir, you to ask me some DSA questions only.
Okay, okay, we'll definitely take care of it. Before we begin, let me tell you this video will be uploaded on my YouTube channel for other students to guide. So, is there any concerns?
No, no, not really.
Okay, great, great. So, firstly, as you said, you have learned OOPS. So, kindly
Yes.
tell me the properties of OOPS. OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming.
Object,
So, what's the
object
property?
oriented programming. So there are four pillars of OOPS: inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. So
Okay,
inheritance basically means there is some parent class and there are some child class, and the child class inherits the variables and functions from the parent class. And then we have encapsulation, which basically means the wrapping up of all the methods and variables inside a class, so that it is not visible to other classes. And then we have
okay. Give me polymorphism example.
polymorphism. Yeah. So there are two types of polymorphism: compile time and runtime.
Hmm.
So basically, when we create a child class,
Hmm.
so like we can assign the child class the parent class variable, and using the parent class variable, we can call the methods.
Okay, okay. You could write me a simple snippet of code with which you can easily explain me polymorphism, especially the runtime one, overriding. Okay.
Sorry, but I have not really used Java from a long time. Like the OOPS properties.
Okay.
Like I have mostly been doing lead code only, so therefore I'm not hands-on experience with it right now.
Okay. Okay. So, like you can't even make a class or object. This is
Yeah,
the
that I can. That I can.
okay.
Okay, that I can. One
Pl-
minute.
yeah, please remove everything from here and just as if you are sitting for a Java class. So kindly open that tab and write me a firstly write a class name animal, and then you will have to like utilize the concepts of polymorphism here. Yeah, you can use online IDE also, no problem.
So what all variables and methods should one have?
It should extend it to other classes, like for example, animal could be a dog or a cat, and it should extend the parent class, which is animal. Great. It's enough, it's enough. And also show me how would you like create a method in a particular class.
So let's say there is this word.
Hmm. Looks great, great. Similarly do for cat, and it should meow, obviously. Hmm. And now you need to make objects, right? Yeah, correct, correct. So you have called also, right? What's the error? I think you have some like you have done some error, no? Yeah, it's a semi. It should be semicolon
Where it should be.
in the last dog dot make sound where you have called the method. Yeah.
I'm using some.
Okay. I think on my screen it isn't visible properly. So you find it
It's
out.
a,
Okay. Okay.
we should declare the method here also
Correct.
because animal is not having method.
Hmm.
Yes, now it should be method.
Hmm. So it shows I bark, but it does not
So
show.
it's
Why?
an example of runtime polymerization.
Hmm.
Sorry, it shows.
No, no. I wanted to ask, and you have answered me before a question. My question approaches you, which is good. Like you already knew the answer. I was just asking why it
Yes,
shows
yes.
show printed I bark instead of I meow. So you simply said it's
So
overriding. Hmm.
yes, yes. So the object is of dog only. So the when we say dog dot made sound, as it is a although it is a having animal variable, because the object is of type dog, so make sound will say I bark.
Great, great. And now if I need to tweak this entire snippet and in a such a way that it shows method overloading instead of overriding, so how would you do that?
So overloading means there is method with same name,
Hmm.
but it performs different types of operations, right?
Hmm. See, I tell you, overloading is nothing but a compile time cousin of overriding. You have multiple methods with the same name, but the major difference which arises now, you have different parameters in the method name. Like there may be int, there may be other different data types. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, just cross everything from this IDE and write another code.
Okay.
Okay, so declare a make a class named math utilities or math util simple.
Math. Yes.
Hmm. And now what you need to do is you have to utilize the concept of overloading. You have to add two integers, two or three integers, but with the different data types. What I mean to say that you have to use different parameters. Got it?
Okay. Yes. Yes. So it will return addition of A and B.
Hmm.
And similarly, let's say there is one more add method which will perform addition of float.
Mm-hmm.
Is it enough?
Yeah, it's enough. Like you know the concept, na basically.
Yes.
and now we'll simply call out these, or instead you will directly print the statement, and you will directly call out them in the statement. Or there is
Okay.
another method that you can simply return the print statement, and then you will call the, so that's easily be doable, nothing worries to be taken. So you have already covered two we have already covered two topics, which is polymorphism, and in both the scenarios. Okay.
Yes.
So how many lead code questions you have solved so far?
I have solved 500 something, around 500.
And what's the bifurcation, like which bucket is the most fulfilled one?
You mean easy, medium, hard?
No, no, no. I'm asking which one, which bucket. Like there are multiple topics, no? DP, table,
Okay.
trees. What this?
Mostly it should be arrays and strings.
Okay, arrays and strings. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So do you know different approaches to solve the two sum problem?
Two sum. Okay. So like we have two, like we have an array and a target.
Hmm.
So we need addition of two integers in the array such that it should add up to the target. That's the problem.
Correct, correct.
Okay. So like the extreme brute force would be like we take two loops and then we check for every pair of integers whether it's added up to the target. That would be like n square.
Hmm. Correct, correct.
The more optimized one would be we can like take an hash map,
Hmm.
and hash map will have all the variables, sorry, all the integers in the range of that, and then we will iterate and check whether target minus the current, like the current number is already present in the hash map.
Okay, so that is what I wanted to ask, and you have answered it correct. The hash map approach is the best approach to solve this problem because it is a optimized approach. And then we have another approach also, but like for the sake of, for the time being, hash map would be good. Okay, because you know that it also have on time complexity as well as on space complexity. So it's good. It's good. Can you write me the code for the two sum problem?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can I use C++? Plus plus?
Actually, C++ is something which is, I tell you, you can use any language while giving OAs and interviews, but the problem arises when you transition towards web development, because it is incompatible with modern web development techniques. That is why I don't prefer CPP. But yeah, you can for time being you can use it.
Okay. So let's make an what we say. So what should the function return? The two function, the indexes of two numbers
Hmm. You
or the numbers itself.
you should return the numbers itself instead of indexes, because
Okay.
because when we return the what we call, when we return the indexes, then it would be a bit hard. As for this,
Yes.
this is the first episode, so I don't like, I don't mind you solve it whatever way you can, but for viewers also, we think we should go with the beginning first, without indexes, normal numbers.
Okay. So the return type would be vector because the vector will have the two integers.
Okay.
So we have the input, the array, and the target. So first I will write the brute force and then I will write the optimized. Okay.
Sure.
So vector of int answer, it will have the both the numbers and will be the length of the array.
Okay.
And I'm iterating over the array. There is equal to I plus 1. I plus 1 because we will have the current number, and for the current number we will check against all the next numbers.
Yeah.
if array of I plus array of j is equal to the target, then it means that we have found our answer. So we'll push them into the answer.
Hmm.
Answer dot push back array of I and array of j, and we'll simply return the answer vector. But what if there are no numbers which satisfy the target? Should I return the empty vector?
You should return 0 or something like that, no? Or -1
Okay.
in this case.
Okay. So answer dot push back -1. Return answer. Yes.
Great going.
Okay. Should I like take one test case to check it?
Okay, you can.
Three, four. And then let's say one target which can be possible like 5. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Okay. Now answer. So what I'm doing is I am calling my toSum function with two inputs, the array and the target, and then I am printing the number.
Hmm. I'm getting it.
Yes.
Fine, fine, absolutely fine.
Acha, okay. I got it. It's because I'm trying to push back two numbers at one time only. It accepts only one input.
Hmm. Okay, okay,
Okay,
wonderful.
it's returning 1 and 4. So there are two possibilities, 1 and 4 and 2 and 3.
Hmm.
It's returning 1 and 4 because 1 occurs first.
Great, 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 great.
Yes.
Okay, now we will brush up some theoretical concepts. How many types of insertions do you know so far?
Insertions.
Yeah.
Insertions means what? What type of insertion?
Insertions, like when you write a code in a Java, na, that it usually refers to how elements are added into data structure. Like how many
Okay.
structures you can build. Let me, in the other words, how many structures can you build? Like array based, linked structures, and under these arrays, what types of arrays, dynamic or static ones?
Okay, so like you are talking about the collections framework.
Hmm.
Okay, so like we have array list and linked list.
Okay, what's the difference between the two?
So array list is like similar to our normal arrays only, but it it does like it kind of has infinite size. So when we push internally, it uses our normal arrays only, but when it becomes full, it doubles its size. So it gives us an illusion that the size is infinite, so we can keep on pushing it without worrying about the size. And the linked list is similar to our normal linked list, which we study like in data structures class. It has like pointers to the next pointer.
Array list, like does it really doubles the size, or is there any mystery behind this?
When 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 it becomes full, I am not sure it doubles or it like it takes the 1.5 of the size. I'm not sure, but it increases the size whenever the current structure becomes full.
Hmm. I tell you, there is a mystery behind this. In the Oracle's standard Java implementation, it exactly not doubles, it grows by 50%. So it is not
Okay.
exactly doubling.
Yes. Yes. Hmm. So it's 1.5, right?
Yeah.
The currency is 10 and it will become 15, like that.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. because this is the thing, like most of the people don't know exactly, but yeah, this was a thing behind this. So in a
Okay.
nutshell, an array list is a dynamic array, whereas linked list you already have explained beautifully. And
Yes.
what about the indexing time, like which one is the fast, array list or linked list?
Faster, as in which type of operation? Like insertion or deletion?
Like if we have to fetch something from a given index, then what would be the faster one?
So if we directly want to fetch some index, then array list would be faster. Because if we are using linked list, then we have to iterate over the entire linked list.
Hmm.
But in case of array list, we can directly access using an index.
Hmm. Yeah, array list is faster for sure, because it uses direct indexing into the index into the array. But linked list requires traversal, like again and again, so it's a little bit slower, a comparative slower, but not, but it is also faster one. It is also fast, but it isn't like way too fast. Now we will cover some other topic in Java itself. So in Java, what else have you learned so far?
So I have studied about. Actually, it's been a long time since I have studied Java. I have not revised it.
Hmm. So right now, what are you practicing? Like these days, what are you doing? What are you chasing? Are you chasing internships or what?
No, actually, I have already been placed.
Hmm.
So therefore, I'm just enjoying my last year.
Nice, nice.
Yes. I just
Enjoyment is
saw
the
your
best stuff.
message. Therefore, I just thought let's give a mock interview to check how much I remember.
Yeah. Well, how was it? How did it go? Was it nice or was it bad?
What about the interview?
Yeah.
On-campus interview?
Yeah, we have done with the
I
interview.
okay, done. Okay.
Hmm.
So yeah, interview went great.
Great, great.
I think I should have remembered the concepts, Java concepts.
No, no, no. It's like I wanted to test your randomness. So you definitely did pretty well.
Actually, therefore, I was asking you time yesterday. I wanted to revise. It's been a long time not revised them. I was pretty sure that I will not recall them in the interview.
You have a technical mindset. You are instantly responding to queries and instantly writing codes. Even if you don't know something, then also you are trying to get onto the topic, and that is a unique quality which you have. Okay, it was nice meeting with you. Thank you. Wish you success.